Hello, my name is Diederik. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to continue with adding our first booking into Stagent. In the last video, we covered adding a new event and itinerary, so make sure to watch that video in case you haven't yet. Before we can start with contracts and the invoicing part, let's set up our first contract template and check out our finance settings. From our menu, select the theme settings on the left and then continue to press Templates, which is right here. Here you'll find an overview of all your contract templates. Stagent will automatically select your first template for every new contract you generate. Note that you can easily switch between your templates within the contract builder. Let's go ahead and press New Contract Template. You're now in the Contract Template Editor. The contract template editor is built up in three main parts, which is the introduction, followed by a limited amount of articles with paragraphs, and finally a signature prompt on the bottom. Note that the information right here is the information that's used from your own team settings in combination with the information that you've entered related to the buyer, which will be filled in here. For this demonstration, I've already loaded in our standard English contract template. Please note that Stagent offers the option to write your templates in English or in Dutch. To change this, go to the bottom of your contract template and select the correct language, which you can find right here. This language will also be applied to all of the contract headers. When you're finished, make sure to press Save. Now let's revisit our team settings by pressing back and continue to fill in our contract preferences. Here, make sure you double check the settings of your contract preferences. For example, if you want to make a change to the name format. And additionally, you can also add any BCC recipients so that they will receive a copy of every contract you send from within Stagent. Once finished, press Save and let's return to our team settings. Now let's set up your invoice preferences. From your invoice preferences, you're able to activate Stripe Connect, which is basically a payment provider that automatically will provide all of your invoices with a direct payment link. Furthermore, this integration allows Stagent to automatically track your payments and list them underneath the send out invoices within Stagent. Please note that transaction fees plus platform fees apply to each transaction. Continue with checking your invoice preferences. Make sure to fill in your payment terms, which will be used for every new invoice you generate, and additionally also write down your payment details below. And don't forget to press Save once you're finished. Now let's go back to your team settings one final time and access your team preferences. Here we can list our default VATs and also our default booking fee, which will be applied to all contracts and invoices generated within Stagent. Don't forget to press Save once you're done. In the next video, we'll send out a contract with e-signature for our first booking and also send out generate our first invoice. Stay tuned.